Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, one of London's leading installers of Starline security, and today we've secured this 2019 Mercedes G63 with a Starline Immobiliser. So the way it works, the customer's phone's in the vehicle, they just hop in it, start it as normal, vehicle starts up, and they can drive it. If a thief was to attack this vehicle, the customer's phone's not in range, they've copied the key, hopped in the vehicle, tried to drive it away, you see the vehicle doesn't start. They keep trying, vehicle still won't start. And the vehicle's protected. For instances where the customer's phone's say gone flat, it's died and they're out, the system can be disarmed using a push sequence, and the way they do that is double press the ignition to get the lights on. Then we'll use the factory buttons on a code we've set. Hear our melody, and we can start the vehicle up. And it runs. If the customer wants to change the code on this vehicle, the way they do that is they first have to disarm the system with either the PIN code or their phone. In this case we've used the phone. Then they press any button 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll turn the ignition off and back on and get 5 bleeps. Now we'll just set the code. We'll wait for a confirmation and repeat that again. This code can be anything between 3 and 21 presses in any order, but we've just kept it as 4 for the video, so it's easy to understand. We've got our second confirmation, so now we can turn the vehicle off. We'll give it 10 seconds, and then what we'll do, turn the ignition on, pop the new code in, so you can see it's been accepted. Got our melody, now we can fire it up. Obviously you won't need to use this code if the phone's in the vehicle and the Bluetooth is on, but for instances where you want to take this for a service, what you need to do, hop into the Starline key app, make sure it's connected. When it's protected it will be green, but if you're taking it for a service, press and hold. This green will turn to yellow when it does release and we'll get 2 bleeps. And now this is a normal vehicle, so no code, no phone. Mercedes can drive it and do what they need to do. Service it, road test it and so on. When you get it back from them you're going to want it protected again, so just do the same thing in reverse. Press and hold, turn that yellow back to green, let go, 2 bleeps. There we go, and it's protected again. So if you want to get one of these fitted on your vehicle, this is the Starline Immobiliser we've installed on a 2019 G63 AMG. We're Immobiliser Fit and our number is 0208 212 7393 and we'll protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching.